At Automation Direct, we're committed to bringing you the highest quality tools so you can get the job done right the first time. Whether you're just starting out as an apprentice or you're the master electrician running the job site, you'll want to check out these premium toolkits from Wiha. Wiha offers 16, 50, and 80-piece electrician toolkits to match your needs from essential starters to full professional setups. Because these kits are designed specifically for electricians, many of the included tools are insulated for safety. Every Wiha insulated tool is individually tested to 10,000 volts AC and rated for 1,000 volts AC, 1,500 volts DC, giving you total confidence when working in energized environments. The 16-piece electrician's kit is the perfect starting point, great for apprentices or anyone building their first professional toolkit. It includes insulated screwdrivers, precision drivers, a level, tape measure, wire strippers, and a hammer, all packed neatly in a convenient belt pouch. It's everything you need to hit the ground running on day one. Ready to step it up? The 50-piece set gives you a complete lineup of fully insulated tools, including screwdrivers, nut drivers, pliers, cutters, T-handles, a cable knife, folding ruler, adjustable wrench, and voltage detectors, all organized in a durable canvas bag for easy transport. And for the pros who want it all, the 80-piece kit is built for the master electrician on the move. This set comes in a rugged rolling hard case with removable trays to keep everything organized, so you're always ready for whatever the job throws your way. Whether you're gearing up with a 16-piece starter kit or going all in with an 80-piece pro set, Automation Direct has you covered. Outfit yourself or your entire crew with Wiha tools today at AutomationDirect.com, the #1 value in automation. Click here to learn more about our tools. Click here for more videos.